In part 1, I repotted and divided my Dendrobium nobile species plants, and now it's time to take the next step. So here's where we ended last time, and now we'll be taking it a step further. To increase the humidity around the orchids, I will be combining them with some cold-tolerant plants. For this I will be using ferns and asparagus. To create a little ecosystem, I will be using balcony planters made from recycled plastic, 2 orchids, 2 ferns and 1 asparagus plant. For drainage, I put a thin layer of approximately 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch of leca on the bottom of the planters. The 2 clear pots I put in first have a specific purpose that will become clear later, and they also give me an idea of how much room is left for the other plants. With the clear pots in place, I added a bottom layer of coco peat and I will top it off with some fine perlite. This will make this growing media more airy. If you're interested in the evolution of my new indoor balcony, I'll link to the playlist at the end of this video. And with the base layer in place, it's time to put in the plants. And with the plants in place, I will top off with pure coco peat. And with the base planting all done, it's time to add the 2 orchids. And that's the first planter done. The same process is repeated for the second planter, and here they are all finished up. To add the finishing touch, I topped up the cocoa coir with some cocoa chunks. And here's where they will be growing in the future, at the top of the staircase leading to my new apartment. Now let me show you how I will be watering them. I have my watering trolley ready to go with a tub of water containing my fertilizer, Acorns rain mix. So let's do this. Because the orchids are in double pots, I can just take them out and water them as my other orchids by pouring water over the media. This is the start of my new indoor balcony. Stay tuned for part 3 when I will be repotting and adding more orchids. Thanks for watching and see you in part 3.